From part B, using that 4 percentage point to estimate for P, using our sample data of 43%, so plus or minus 4%. If we use this sample statistic and this margin of error, we could write a confidence interval to estimate for P and say that we estimate that the true proportion value for votes for DeSantis is going to be between 39% and 47%. But with this confidence interval, I don't really know what the level of confidence is. So in part C, if we want to construct a 95% confidence interval, you can use the 1prop z interval function on your graphing calculator. And then here it's going to ask you to put in some sample statistics. So our sample size was 737 people surveyed. Out of 737, 317 of them said that they were going to vote for DeSantis. Change your confidence level to 0.95. And then when you press enter, the calculator will give us an estimation for P to be between 0.394 and 0.465. So this 95% confidence interval says that we estimate that the true proportion of voters who are going to vote for DeSantis is going to be no lower than 39.4%, but we don't anticipate it to be any higher than about 46.5%. Well, the good news is that 2018 was several years ago, and so we actually know what the true value is because we have the results from that midterm election. And it actually turned out that 49.6% of all Florida voters voted for DeSantis. So notice that 49.6% is not even inside our confidence interval. So this confidence interval is actually one of the 5% of confidence intervals that miss the true proportion value. So that's pretty interesting.